Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am. Today we'll do a very important question of Birches by Robert Frost. What is the metaphorical imagery used by the poet to illustrate the desire to escape life as it is in the poem Birches? Throughout the poem, the speaker, if we analyze the poem, the speaker talks about a young boy climbing birch trees and then sailing to the ground after reaching the flexible treetops. For the most part, the speaker talks about this in order to demonstrate the extent to which children are capable of finding joy in life. However, the idea of climbing a tree only to set back down or to come back down on the ground after reaching the very top is also a metaphor for the desire to get away from the speaker's own current existence, while also knowing that this escape will not be permanent. In keeping with this same idea, the speaker says that towards the end of the poem, he says to get away from earth for a while. He uses these words. These words suggest that the speaker wouldn't mind being removed from everyday life, which has perhaps become, for the speaker, monotonous and unrewarding in the speaker's old age. However, the speaker clarifies that he has no interest in leaving behind life in favor of an afterlife, as evidenced by the fact that speaker only wants to climb the tree. He wants to climb towards heaven and not actually to heaven. It's clear that the speaker wants the feeling of liberation, the feeling of escaping this monotonous adult life, but in the same time, he is completely uninterested in any kind of true death, since that would mean permanently giving up earthly existence, which he does not want. The speaker has no intention of doing that. The speaker thinks that life on earth is worth sticking around, and therefore he says in the line, "Earth's the right place for love. I don't know where it is likely to get better." Although the poem does not focus on love, it only shows the speaker's belief that earthly life is full of good things and a life that is worth living for. Thank you for watching. Please continue to watch my videos.